I'm John Pound, the owner, founder, president of Agritech. The family business, been in business for 42 years, and all we've ever done is sell greenhouses to growers. My basic business philosophy is that I want to deliver to my customers the same quality of material I buy for my factory that I rely on every day. And what's important to me in that is that I want my crew to be able to come into the shop, turn on all the equipment we have, and have it work to our expectations. Historically, when I go and buy a piece of equipment, I will anticipate that maybe it's going to cost $100,000 to buy a new piece of equipment. As I research it and learn about that piece of equipment, I find out what a little bit more money will do for me in reliability, quality, performance, speed of that equipment. And I feel that the way for me to stay competitive is to have the best equipment, to be able to do the best job. And so I'm sure that that's what my customers need as well. If you're going to stay in this industry for 40 years or any industry and stay in business for that long, you better do the better job and offer more value to the customer than your competition. We try to use the best raw materials and the best components in our greenhouse that we can. We feel that the raw materials of components, they aren't that much more money to buy the best versus good. It doesn't add that much money to the total price of the greenhouse. For a little bit more money, we can deliver a lot better product because our steel is going to last longer. It's got more galvanized on it. Our fans, we've got higher warranties on our fans because they've got better bearings in them. So instead of a 1-year warranty, you can get a 3-year warranty. So if I can deliver a better piece of equipment, they'll be able to get a better plant out. They'll be able to get it out maybe quicker, get a quicker turn, less disease, less stains, all Class A quality plant material. And that's, I know, going to make them successful. And for me to be successful, I do everything I can to make them successful. Quality and performance is what makes the biggest difference in our industry. And that's what we're here to do.